I'm Stacey Clark. I'm the Assistant Quality Chemist for West Pharmaceuticals. Basically my job entails testing finished goods, raw materials. I've always been very much into science, very much a practical, hands-on person. I always wanted to be in the lab. After I did my GCSEs, I got good results. I went on to do my A-levels. When I finished my A-levels, I didn't get the greatest results. I got 2 Ds in the end. I dropped one subject and decided that I was going to go to university anyway. I did a foundation course at Bristol Uni, carried that through. So I applied for a position at Plymouth Uni and I did a 3-year course in human biosciences, which it covered everything. It covered your ecology, chemistry, all like human body, physiology, microorganisms, things like that. Very much lab-based. Once I finished there, I was pretty much stumped. I was going through newspapers, I had about 7 or 8 newspapers a day looking for jobs. Then one day one came along, filled out the application form for it, and that was the start of my career. When I came here for my interview, everyone was just willing to talk to you and everyone made conversation. It was a really happy place. And obviously when I got the job and I told my mum, I'm working with all these really friendly people, she said, well, they're going to be your family. And I thought, just your colleagues. But the more time you spend with them, they do become your really good friends. And it's like your own little family. It's great. You look forward to coming to work. You never know what you're going to walk into. I mean, it could be a quiet day when there's paperwork to do, the odd chemical test, or there could be a day when something's gone horribly wrong and you're needed to get in there, get your hands dirty and figure it out. And again, I'm not a paperwork person, but I suppose it comes with every job. But it's just getting stuck in, actually doing things, analysing finished goods, things, making sure that everything's okay and safe for customers to use. It's a company that's constantly evolving, it's constantly growing, and there'll always be a need for what we make. Providing you're good at your job, you're never going to be at a loose end, and people are always going to want to know what you do, how you do it. I think there's just so many different opportunities. I mean, because this company is a global company as well, you've got your travel options. I suppose you could work abroad if you wanted to. So it's just, there's no end of possibilities with it. My career aim would probably be to learn as much as I can. I'm constantly asking for more training opportunities, learning what the instruments that we've got in the lab at the moment. I can use them and I've got a pretty good understanding of how they work. But there's plenty of different courses you can go on to get a more in-depth idea. But you really need to put yourself out there and don't be afraid of anybody, because if they've invited you to work for them, then you deserve to be there.